mona mudi ni nyina wani tete efiri nkomo no so efe na apekwan atwo ho mama ho gap kakra sane enum kankan ne sabe emma wo so but ya ente no saa no sese mama ye hunu de etimi kofa ba ena ebi wo so a o mama wo muso nyina yo mote ana anyo mu nyina no mote
anyo nyina na mote obi wo no on ti so bi na be ka kire se ase o kasa ka bi ewe na otu ho na mo
ana unza ne kan so edin
no kan din papa ne kan unza de hwese mpo wuti ho be 2 hours 3 hours na won kasa ye na waka wan wato obviously no nka kakra be bu anum but de ye yare ne de me se ebe ye nka kese pa
ne titiro de hadwe kura ne wo mo ne wo kunu num ebi ne wo kunu num ebe za na wo ba num
wo be de din kita ho
ya de hadwe papa ntina and is a topic na ba nyame adanoma won se de ye virus especially sinus ba ya na duru nya no edin ntina manfo bebre wo mo bebre wo mo nya duru Yankopon adaroma wo se min so de da bia na ya me adawroma entina ye ho because egu amanfo aware pa these guys
na we de nka wo kuna na enka wo yire no mu a enya no an se mo ye ho na ba ko bua no na ka wa treat enti we say ba treatment kwa ben so na mo fa amen scientific for mutimi efa so de boa
okay
depending on the course no underlining course no say e wo de ne yifunum de na say enum de na sana da aka no ya ye ndro bi ho na obetimi de twise enum a wo de betwitwu se na wasa anum bi ene yo
infection bia wo gam no ma ni nyina be
na say sinuses no so de obe drop wo ohunim na de obe no makọ ni peduen ma na so betimi aboa say yifudie no so no a nyina no ndro ho betimi aya ya ma do betimi aboa bibia aye kama
enya asamkuta bi wo brochire abrochire fo no kura de wo mo pa mo
sa
nti go do
na brochire fo no omunya kwantwi yesi na
eduane no so ka ho eduane kan na ebi won so insane cigarette no because of our obi o say because of that cigarette ni we ni say obi won so na onya sane me nyina so no untum eduane no garlic ni we nyina no naturally no say man na unza mro abrofo so the virus on a dos mo nti obi o tum so okolo pa wo sumpa
ye dininya we na nware ye na wahia baba wa bi ana wahia brante bi ne yankobon kan kakra wanum nkan obehwa na pampam baba we ana brante na firi wo ho ntem de sa no pay ye de sa topic yaba na mo mesen mabisa se obi pese bi oba mo so ye ana ofre na mode mo so ye baby won to dwama me ofre so motimi anya kwan na mo na edi nkomo edi ama me to obi pese oba kwan so na obefa
yo nyame adom amen scientific nyame adom ya about 19 branches across the country.
Wow.
Na in Kran Hanum no you 2 branches na Accra you ba ko Dome and you ba ko so Klagon you new ultra modern branch na ye bie no na se okoye Klagon branch na ofa car free temane ni chine ba ofa Ashaman car oso be si under bridge Usiwa an Opia under bridge offer the Nungwa car under bridge Opia under bridge na total filling station na wo na directly opposite to Honoma na wo Klagon and as so feel bad ni chine ba offer car Ashaman car so be see before under bridge na ye total filling station amen scientific for junction so o be see ho ye lolo kwan ho mo say e dan fefe bi see Honoma ya cho amen scientific ukọ ho anya medom ye be hwe mo ho ato na ye brand ba konso e wo Dome a main branch no so free pukwasi ni chi na eba ofaka osi obesi o tantra run about go total filling station honoma osi o honoma on your left hand side no run about so straight down honoma ko Ghana former Ghana Telecom Vodafone for office honoma hon ewo Dome and also which makes you St John's Dome St John's osi o St John's and GPRT office in town taxi rank ho kacha himself ko amen scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital mo do beba ya so e honum and I say which makes you Dome market and Dome cross no be so be yourself amen scientific commercial takwa den so you are premdo so if you takwa de chrome neighbor also be you have premdo before bridge na so if you takwa de echi neighbor e agona na apon neighbor also be you after bridge premdo after bridge you see ho na so mbeje your company na nchen open ko enim kakra ho no ma
before ni faso we ko inside kakra ye ni kwa no to
ko inside kakra ho na ye wo takwa de kuma since you mum na ye oba kon so atwuma tichima mum kejeti azun additional market na nchen ho no ma wo kejeti ho na ye wo branches in the doors ntem ye numbers in Betudja to free numbers here now your mother rushes call any of the branches at Ben with my phrase 0245 27 5254 and say Subian 0245 27 5254 and also with my phrase 0244 22 7192 0244 22 7192 and also with my phrase Vodafone 020 722 9505 020 722 9505 two friend numbers will be a more directions any of your branches at Benwa which my kwaja aerosaw
so free St. John's on record there over funny fans who see then try here run about no over funny fans the more free pokwas one about over far
I was snitch flat on
Yamemo no time much Adom TF you know Yamisha will be an in free so now or my cry
amen at TF and Papa Dr. Amin Bonsu, covered by a pen Mukwanchef with the Amen Scientific and Herbal and Medical
Alternative Medical Hospital.
Alternative, and Dr. Mustafa the Sherman, or Sherman some
alternative medicines in a and one time, and but
Matthias, and I say.
Jim FM. Jim FM. Jim FM.
For Yama Adofo Yina Aquaba Ediba Asetena pa Ejumedi so. Ane share halitosis yadiano. Yina yutum prekumpe se yade boni yankasa. Sebi ebiba uswa na edwo haune. Nyani mguasie sad ye but many patch chuchuchi ho edi firi ho. Sanse nkane fie no mu no eba no enhyeda enya homekasa na ye nyina yesuamu ade ye hunu kwan be fa so a yebetimi eyi yen ho ade afiri mu ana pesa na me kan ye no me di kan ede ene asam egu pro so ede to ho no ene se ye ba be hwe ya hwe yen security somewhere almost a month ni akire ni ya hwe because ehun akohia papa say yebedi ho enkomo na yedidi di ho enkomo topics ndodo na last week yebehwe sempo enipa dodo ehyiamu a eya na enioma ben na sese yen enipa na ehyiamu no ye and gatherings no ehyiamu bebre sa no a eya na ye prone say obonefo no betimi abetu ye so sa ana na ye church mu chichemu ama ya papa poboaten oni sofo amwakwata wono ede won soso enkyerɛkyerɛ ede tudwa na anopen so ye hwɛ ye schools ahodoɔ no government schools no private schools no institutions ahodoɔ no anya ye biada eya na ba hoban bɔ no sɛ na ɛte ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna no ye maame bi wɔ se maame akua bra me kɔ me besuku me duru gate na no obi ante hɔ se security man no asori osno wo hi o me wura mu akeke ento no bi sa me say sanka wo nipa boni ni no wakoye nkwara ne boni a sanka otimi koye won boni o ena me se wonso aka bi mama wasam no eyede na emo mu panifo wa hu nim de ebeba ne ne wo no mu atena ase na ye disa enkomo yi ya papa security expert Mr. Paul Boateng watena se yetwen say papa Reverend Francis Apostle Francis Amokwata enso so ebetena se na ye hwe we aka we nyina no na ye bekọ Maxwell Kudeko ho na yin na twetwe nkomo na ansa na mema me papa Mr. Paul Boateng akwaba papa mu akwaba
ya eno
ohunemu
obo ade de ache bibia woko
awado
oh nyesa
sa
inshada
on feel fine papa ai na so on me hwe ni papa Mr. Dinipa and then me hwe se ne wo ahokeka na wote woni adam mu se bia bibie atoch makakra but ye bom pa se awrade be ma ho atontem na so aye de se wo ya ho betontem why ya Maxwell so ya hwe schools ya fa won hye ase Maxwell ba so pe ye be dane na yakọ ho papa na school fo headmaster na school fo bi de won sakọ kika no wo ekofori duaman to a nananom nse do no ebese ye hwe se ne ho asem no so akosie na security nsema ye kan bibi sa se schools no ene ye security papa ama ne hwe ho ananso sepo se school for no abi so timi da ne wo ho eye problem no ede ba ema security eye den ema schools ni bia na se ne mrantie won mo eye ye important mo tie se jama mo ko school ho but mo wo area ho ene mo ko di se adwuma no mo di school ho no madane won mo tena bia wo mo de afie ho adane wo fie wo bapesie eye de obeye yina na ye wi anwa na ye nneoma basabasa na ye no mo dry wi no mo netra mo ne ade chese won mo so agi school no aboso na no na no pay me pese ye hwe say e bi kura na nye security for na mo hwe school no so na wo man hwe ho ye bas won a wo school no mo no an timi da no wo ho wo hawo e de ma school no say na wo ka no
yo ne di kan menchia etiefo na papa na sem no areho enti no ye bema na busuafo yakọ na bambo ho nsem no se ne tambia ya na meka no o hwe se ne we ni sia ni hyase no o hwe se emrantie no so ye hwe wo mo kwan a o mo fa so mfa so mo tete no efri infitiase no se ne awofo na community no enya influence on so ebedu level ya o mo timi akoye sa nyambra semu no eno ye factor I was ye hwe na efe wo hwe ye schools ni bebre nso a bambo ho nsem no enkoyie sa
enkoyie
ampa be kokora no obere sabi nipa na wati gate no hwe ni strength a
evukura akwakura bi wo akwakura bi wonya be 70
just Jim FM
ni enya kakre bi wo na bi wo kura di bambo kora ebi wo no a wo mu ni bambo kora tres wo mu ni bi enti no ebredu se ye hwe saa eniema ni nyina se ye mano a ye do mo ko school no saa school no mo bambo nsem etesen
anokware
se mo ko PTA meetings na aya mo mfa no so nka omo agenda a omo be discuss no because bambo ni ho no ma adesua na kra no kosua de na woni ahoto tambia no se bibi se esi a na wofo no me ma me osa ya na odi duku aye de yem ariam hwehwe enti no ye nhwe ho no ye na ban no so mwa efi se omo mbo ye ho ban ni so na in general aban sem ni ade nyina ni so enti no community na ye wom no school ni wom no I was see etimi organize say ye school ye bo ho ban sometimes kra nye ni pom be kwa kopra no be ko no ma bi kra library ho no no ma ko se ne ma books ni ade omtimi wia ene ma pepe bi a computers papa bi a wodi agu ho no ma kwala ne wo so omdisua ade ko no mo wia omu ye school ho basa enfata ba bi esua de wo se tambia no ye ma ho bambo sem no edikan enti no GES for no ne aban no sa ne mani nyina na ya omo hwe me fin say private schools no so no omo ye enhihye ya de bebo om school no ho ban a aya omo ma emu na se bi obi a sebi oji newuo no akofa ne se o meye security wo school on mo ne ade na ya emfata ye nhwe sa ade ni
emfata ampa obeko schools ni bi ana so se nyumakuo ni bi obehwe security personnel te hono na che se wono an wo je na no wasere kwan
nse ye aya etimi agiu se bambo sem no enye wa ho oden ana se bi o machu bi a waye eye adwen a ewo ninimdie so ho na wo hwe yen system na nimdie a fanse enemre se ne ehun ne niema bi a aba ewiase no se nimdie na nkasa no yen hanom no dodo na nhye da ni bi enti no se ye hwase dia omo ebe mo omo aboban no yen hwase se ye bekyerɛkyerɛ won se ne niema bi a uhu a wa obi so we die e wo se meye hu bibi sa anya sa na se ye du obi akogina ho se ono de ono so wo kɔ no ne bosumi aka 20 na wo pɛ dia obi wo kora be kokora no wada obi wo ho no ma
wada security gate na no
bebre o da obe kɔ no wada enti wo se mutiminya system bi a ebe make sure se yen say mimi say no mi wo group bi wo ho no oba ufie na se obega di ufie a mi make sure say ye wo ayi bi wo ho no mo a 3 hours bia na so okọ na de o card ko kreke ni hu say akreke ebe signal your system no mu because unso bi ho no to no ma no wada
obetimi ada ma de achina san na ni ate
point bia say obi man ni school a I was so making sure say e bia this time from this am to e bia 10 to 7 I was say ultimi 93 this place bia 15 meters away I was say ultimi ko ho no ko hwehwe na we de obekọ no bi o ultimi dasa ni stick no kura down ho tension ultimi tam wo enti no yen
yes stick no kura ultimi tam
ultimi tam
na yeah ma me misa we de me de be wura mu ada but to the bi ahwe banks ni ade na wo say process for no tete banks na no tete tu wo bi akro ultimi da na tuo ni kita no
it means say ni power ebu akura no abre
no na wabre ko tra ho say dey
no abre unso bi ho I don't know say it depending ni panyin di amano so nko ebu akura we go duty e bia na do
security expert ma miss azamo wabre to ko tra gate na no ho say dey tuo no ko to ni stress so say dey e ko da ye say dey
say ni pa no ye den wunya ni nyina pe. In fact, mimi hu bibisa aya mi se mimi hu bibisa me ka chron say minia ebia te say obu ho no ma
aya akonyane no
me de me ati ase say adwuma na wo ye no wo da adwuma no ntinu ye menya no eno de me fa menya no anas obi ba me ka chron say won pre eno de me ntwa ho nko
serious o
nipa ho adwuma ntino den ya to da bia o strength no say na kra me ba ye wo akra wo hu ntino na wo se wo konso a obeyende wo se wo
on say ye bibifo no ye mpe leave ene sanyoma no eje wo wote oni paduam se wo yare no e de na se wo ye because de wo yare no wanye na se ukoje adwuma bi to ho so a etimi kofa wo ye ne ba ma nipa foforo bebre na esan benya wo ha wo enso ebibirem ye mpe bo otimi adwuma be 5 years no ko leave da so me make first na na be basesi ade massacre
so bi so ho adwuma wura no opese wo ye adwuma no so adwuma wura fo no
bitimi first na me ye adwuma 3 years na me ko leave
ni bebre ho no ma opese wo ye
eno we me de na nya employees as me na me nko basesi ade me pentampa kwankasa
bambo hon sem na wase sane da bia kan
ya mehwe have vulnerable school for nkwada simple security personnel na otekwana na ntimi anye na dwuma se ne se lese obi boni nipa bonifo bi ebo wura school wa uri wani kankan ya ede no masa na so etimi sie
no de aya me pese me kan because o kan be bra na de hu ehyen se omo ntiase no e ba ko school plan na yam hyehye no
eno de se kura na ebi se obi aba ko school na yam hyehye no
enti no aya me pese because o hwa ni me kan se ni nyina aya mpaibo nka so wo chire mu bebra o hwe se ekwan a ehurukafo no fa ho ye omo ne ma no e ba ne sa schools bi amakoko mu de e ba ne sa de a emwayen ana nye onko a tre se I had to say your system no sanya mano enhye dan ni hanti enhye dan sua ho niema bebre but e fe na ya hwase say e didi ho nkomo no ebehia say school for na nkasa no ebrebe so yemfa saa de no kan
oni enchechire wo mo mate ye wo ye maame ye school mistress bi e wa homa no so ye pese ye ne hwehwe nkomo ne ye hwe nkwada banba security for a schools I would do na on your table proper and on one's school the edi kind ye bi so no on the school ho say kwan ben wo fa so a wo de bo school ho ban Mrs. Lamte, good morning. Mrs. Lamte. Let me say mama no enya maso eno ntine beko so na pa yentwe hombra adofo yetwe ho ne abasisi a ya ba ya beto aso ya wonsem bebregu process ese na edi ho nkomo na say movement ne ya ikakra but ya basisi a
yes is me this is who I am yes I'm me
whatever you do and however you do it, you are like no other. Indomie, love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Manu bisame say
ma bet ma boa wana mesumeti mi aboa
omo nyina ye krado enkanka sami nu aduane a
ma na we ye
onga shrimp powder
eye die
e me aduane ya akono
ne ma ne akono keke
ane sa keke so wo de onga ye aduane bia e ma ne ye hwam keke ne ma ne ye akono nso
Jim FM. Jim FM.
Hello, good morning, Mrs. Lamte.
Good morning.
Na me pacho ahunemu.
Na me Adom na wo se.
Yesu Adom me ho ye pa. Anopay ye hwe eye security e banbo edema schools na ye mofra ne ye nananom no ekomu no. Na ye bisa se wo suku mu ho no mu ne edi kan. E de na waye a wo de ebo mofra no ho ban. Ewi a yakoso ne wadi nkomafa nsem foforo.
Yo. Me da say when mama come and we are no babe kasa afan kola no yen kola na babo so si ano se dia ekono nyama ekono wi ase no ye school ha de ye wo bambo kese na bambo kese yankopon na no ekire no ye wo street wo ye gate na no na ye be fan kola no so a parents no omo ye very vigilant pa wo ho and school bus be almost consua. The parents no 2 times say a bepo also be gina the point or dinner manner. Na wadia colano. Na back no call. Na say one parent nearly was also find dia colano be school back. Na post school swa your call a cojan colano come more nearby. Nancy come fee no. Ye di omo call. E do mukosa kusite baby a interval se wo mu fie di ba baby e di o mu si no wa na more ba no ekwan so ye busy so nti ni aje o mo si baby ni nyina ya mi kobi especially in to say na say school bus obi mu for school bus na ko mu nanti a me kobi call ye do mu ko eko si baby point bi answer ni nyina ya san teacher ye tell mu nti to a your duty, teachers be your duty, particular day or send me for echo. But until to a similar, you call Mr. Mikaho, near Cotican Colano. We move far, no way to her, no way to her. And our back to I do time until to I make sure say, Utio went your goom near Kojamun. Yami Adom Bible wa hadie Adom eyara nyami so ni adi pa
anokware na more security personnel no am shed am on training and now so say you just apply for them and they come to do the job for you.
No security for no sankofu ya omo your friend say Eagle security service. So say security is now balance. See, I some more training, special training to call her. Yeah, Maubi. Oh, Maubi, and now what to me? Yes, monthly. Oh, see, omo, be or training omo. Ukwa, ukuchiaka, Maubi.
Sanity. What security? Why is security man be the way you mamu pay?
What say?
Where ye security man be Eddie? Ewa where you mamu pay? School hopping.
Oh, no jai. The two baby on you, me and you man me nebium. But say, you be a DBA. Omoye near my pepper. More than a few sunti. If you want a school won't see, on to me encounter so much. Be idea some breno.
International BBI okay, Emma school no say in terms of security near the no.
Now by your phone and call and crown koya. A geo mutufio, yen na you feel uncle feel. Oh, Colani be sukra timincho school auntie. You are all around. A Colani to Smith and I and change. So ni mami banu abe fano and I say even to the same kolani bi kura o maintain kura no kolani fie wa otimi de ni ko sani mami fia oni fia no asan de naba
why yes teacher ni was sign headmistress what the incidents be from other areas and other schools esan say bimbo anko yenti mo friend bi hu ekoka adwamu ana
me patro matibi pa
ebini ni ho
matibi kubi a membo ni de say omoja akwala no kwan opie free school ho opie free school na all kono they say wa shift ya for akona dam fie me ha kora bi esida for some time ake kakra na kola ni ka say o kofie no on kofie no akọ she na dam for fufuro fie ebi okro to me she wa no ada na dia sta kora ni enam ne yehwehwe no be school ya meeting yesi akola ne o cho kofia wan kofie wan du fie nti no mo hwehwe ne sa nti mo be school ha be hwehwe se bia wa fra me mana nti yensu ye gutu frɛ parent ni bi se akola bia bo fia later no parent ni friends we hu no bi all last ko hu no wo far place kra wa yira ko si baby because o ya akola nti wa yira ko si SCD ya wo
and some be SCC and some be SCC where there means I told me be say osha private schools no and public schools na oje dis bimbo no hepa na ekodi yie
mama we dey say dey bia ya government no nim say dey tie minua adie bia ya government bia anu odin because public school no excuse me say Mia Media emphasis God have entrusted this into my hands Mia Media nti meni be ko hu yie say the be ya bibia ntochima manya more admission manya din on their mission more about the children themselves are advocate say they akola ne ye wa efie abonten ebi omuti compound akola bi ko school be fufuro onim sa akola no ko school me ha no etifie nti ne ye ne niam bi no I would like to do it well na akola no kwa no ya advocate obe the signboard abemu bi abe school manti main ye nti signboard no se bita flat public school it's your poor now ko teacher he doesn't care what happened or whatever ono teacher ni there Mr. ono ne juma ne say obe he can go to a school as you say but did they am I a security or am a teacher nti your poor kola na no ejo mu ko government
yes Mrs. Lamte me say anopay you was the last statement na ma security aspect for what we also need to asre say teacher bibi say me teacher ni na me security man and enunti no you bedo was say na every pemu no so no hu hia say enu bedi nkoma ya samba ho bi why yeah that's papa yakopon on shira ho
FM
arafo yema ekosukuu ya papa so ntimi nkan bebre bimbo ho nsam no but enokure nie wotie de ma me kan ye se wakofa ne best school papa waso akọ gate na no da ho ya ntamon obi anyina ho ono a na ewura mu ena okọ school no no ma me ni bisam me se enti ma me akua je disan kam ye nipa bonefo a enka me wura ho na me koye nkwara ne bibia enka me ntimi nkoye ana enka obekoye enti na chese schools ahodro no emu abambo no so ayeden akohia papa esofo apostle aba apostle memwache mo akwaba ya mehwe baby a wo mako school what said that esua send your securities abambo nsam school wana
oh yeah enu de me do fa hu hia pa sense ye kwa ye bayi enkodai omni ye ndaache nti ba ku bi se ya me do am kwa me hwe se de ma american ye no me am fi program ana so ma me frem say wa ntumi amfa ho nti me mfa ho nti me am park car na afei gate ya no da ho na me am bowuram me kwa for about 15 minutes na me wemba na me hu no ko hwe ko chese ko de ye di agro man hu mfifire na me say me wo mi kuro me say na me di agro na me ho aye mfifire na me be to school fees bo den hwe say akwada no ho chese akwada no ho afọ aso ogina body fum me bedu fear pen am take it and go check his school where mammy say kwan da hwa na me at once wa and am yimi ba no edifiri say school no where because bambo ne yade a ehu hia se obi te ya bambo ne yade a ehu ehia ye and na say parent bi te ya gone are the days ye nyina wo the same area enti apanyin kase e wo ka me ni bi eti opanyin ene wo kwa na we de ne ba betenam na we de ne ba betenam na we de ne ba betenam no asisa area ho nkwada nyina
no de omukọ
na nani bere na oba no afọ no nko ane ba no because ono na akwada ne eye ne ba wo na wo de ne betena aka no said ye maame no ende ye no ono de ne ba ne ko school onye wo security na onye driver nti oduru wa nani abere no ono ne ba no wo covenant akwada ne nim say this time me papa ba be fam wo so wo ba no esanse wo de ni ja ne nti no akwada no ene na damfo bi e di agoro ene nam nti oduru wa ne ba no wo na no atam ne ba no there's no way
okone na makohwe akwada afoforo
okone na makohwe akwada afoforo nti is about time wa wo say parents no bia ni ko ne ba ho wo ye ni adaje yanji baye woji a wo betu nti enu nti na nkwada enware no the moment a wo be ware pe wa increase enti e wo se utumi nya adaje emma ya ba system a parents ni adaje emma our future generation no say da bia ya America no ne akwada wo 6 months ane de na koja 6 months on kasai on 90 year of chese bia fe kura na otutu ne de na koja obi and ya me pa che no ono so ya fa no young girl and we onya bibia anya na chese ya de na ko teaching eye calling but of wouldn't say onyame bo ade ewie after the creation adwuma nyame aye besinde na obesan akoye kopim say wiase besai eye teaching. God is a teacher.
Correct.
God is a teacher.
And me know ya
oh yeah, God is a teacher. And nuntina Exodus chapter 4 verse 12 nyame soma Moses no so Moses say minim kasa was me a teacher. I will teach you how to talk. I will teach you how to do this. And Jesus Christ basa so na friend rabbi. What is the Hebrew rabbi? What the English teacher? I'm the pacha. It's your best in na Yesu kono kan chom se me nyam na nyanka. Mama hon kronkron na ba. Holy Spirit is our teacher. He's our comforter. He's our helper. I'm the pacha. It's a best in no teaching ya dia ehun hia. The oldest professional nyame ba de wie ya wo mo be se hunam mu no teaching and say ye hu sa de no eti anim say obi bia o ye agya bia teacher. Every father is a teacher.
Now every mother is a manager. Every wife is a watcher. Every father is a teacher. Every mother is a manager, and every wife
is a watcher. They watch around the whole house. The wife must watch over the children, watch over the husband, everything. I'm the mere patch. And
then she said, "Your mother be your wife."
And your wife will be also your mother. And I say in the Sunday, na me church Monday's day. The 3 dimensions of womanhood. WWM. Woman, you have a womb. And then wife, your ability is to watch over your husband and the house. When your womb now begin to watch them, now fear increase here. Then the husband is the director and you are the manager.
Papa, wow, that's wonderful.
That's wonderful, Mother Bia Uti, and you are managing the whole house. You are managing the children. Yaba yesi ameto nyo ye na tina djuma preference mbe
kwesi keti
ya meto obi ameto kwesi twu hada am dem ba je the friend director otini ba bi far away office kura men ha ba bia but there are managers omuti omu monitor omu ye bibia am dem ba je eti papa no a owa djuma kese papa no a oye osode na ni oboyi ato wa yi ato and the party no ti say yemi ni sorry me so payin ho nhyɛ da mfa no baba saa na me we me free another station from another station and I'm dimly come my baby do from another station
more boy you mama Ghana
said your bay and near my bed to me after 2 years because we have come to a place who said anytime a purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. We are said you're not opening air can it's maybe new order. And Ghana for take it for granted for so many years. Yet to know, yam paid them pay change. And I am said I'm paid this year. I did back on Ghana for any yam song for yam pay change in paid this year. Oh, system one, yo, Ghana, to hospitality. And your form cool will be better by Seco no more. No calling to no buy. No, so pay moja. So pay
for your hospital, papa.
Now, woman with your weak points, and they are using our weak points against the nation. And that is why I was say, dear Nibble, I think Chiresa said your bayer, your Betsy.
Matthias Yepa. Adom, you're streaming live on Facebook. Yes, streaming live on Facebook. Adom 106.3. What do you call Facebook? And Koshi and Mumu. Yabapa Apostle Francis Amakwata and also Edin de Echemu. Yedua Bema Nana okay. Or say or sharing live from London. Ane Nana Yadasepa. So the Ekanina no cre. Na Danso Abuaje Michael so say also sharing live from North Legon and Benjamin Boahene Ejekum. I say good morning Mamekuya, thank you for giving us educative program all the time. Otie live from Atimpoku and Gladys Ejapon Mensa was papa bravo why are dear Nana ya okay bio or say this is very deep that and so for transit there and let's just say we in some pie mako nyame ehira papa na Stella Amo Aidan also say well said papa and nti guswada ye toa eyedwumadie no so ye hwe eye yabanbo ehon nsam ye hwe yabanbo ehon nsam na nei ye de wie eye schools papa kan say bi o say ensam ni bi wo ho a ontimi nka esan say yes about time ekɔ school kura mofra no kɔ school na about time ye dan yen mo ehihye yen eno nti ensam ni bi wo ho a ontimi nka na ontimi nka no eno so me so ha me kakra
oh emane how na ene marketing na ye betu about time for enche kura na menam Medina ho baby na maybe yes me cross kwan na kwala ba ye for omu age no threaten yo ye panyi won kra no be say am say that the fire cross kwan almost cross kwan na timi try say kan me hu ne ma no unfortunately me kwa na ma me ni ho so we ni niema etem bia na ya wo hwe omu free school na ekọ omu free school na
ye na se ye wanyini kakra ne nsa
so onya no fo ekọ but abrochire say hu ni sa o obeko school no akopeke oba so hu sene na madam na eka no say ya nhwe sa ni ma in fact say ye kire event organizers ade and as omo schools na so na ade a express wo so 3Ds
yeah
3Ds no so first D no I deny no and express wo so pa I say we deny those with malicious intent na omo ntimi act but some more opportunity senior gejeja yenkwara no say omo pon school kra kwanya on be fa so on be dru fie no ni ade no enye so enti so bia wadwen boni bia akotete school bi mu a na enkwala ni bia pon na omo ni obi obeba be pick omo omo mfa ka na bi kra so an free school wa kono ekwan no wa na nipa boni fo bi kohia ho a senior obetimi afa no sa enti awofo no kwala na omu nu teenage no from 13 to 19 no yamu ani nko ho pa eho no de omu ya kwara tino coffee kra what did that na no di wachi so
eno sa no so ye upbringing fitifio because abofre bo ho be friend na tweti kra ma na on ba
so na make no because bambo sem no se na make no awofo no ya won kwala no entitiye no ka ho
the giants
entity no count sana school na sana environment and community na wo no so influence no so e wo ho no but say yetimi ema santete no konkwala no mu twa brofo nkwala no dodo na ofre no krucha na de omu awo no omu awo
onyumu ha obecha gana ni so nam na osre
so gana ni akra na osre ne bakra she na tubo no atene obi dibi no atene ne nsa sa ne ma no kanetete no
ehwe so ban
ye tete no na yesa enne no eni ho enti no oba osano odi ni kosku aka hu se wagya pade no oda achene no enti kwan bi abefa so abebọ no ho ban yie no bọ no ho ban yie na kura ni ntimi nkosku no omra na efe nso no event organizers and some fans managers no school no ewura no mo no ne ade no dem bia consider on say ayete say we organize event enti bambo ntoto ya ehia masa ankofo no wo say ye de ma on na papa ka so obowura school bi mo boy ya name say gate ni da na we de obowura
ebi ni ma me die yo kan yi
eno ntinu sane ye ka no wo stress first day no deny them access
Bible say resist
the
devil and he will flee. So you deny them the access to get the children.
Ain't you know what we deny access now? Entry no kra no. Senko papa dru ho no mo no. Ana we ni paboni ni bia ko boni kro be no betimi aye. Ba senka omo deny access to that particular phrase na. Odru ho no. O ka no kra untimi nko. It say organize event bia ye wo we ma honest no pack wom car.
Yeah.
We packing in such a way so who be all baby and this will be even to be any wakra na obejina twen say obeba you can na na obepacking na wetimi timi na na de hwese ni pa na oba no we ni papa na we ni pabonefo eye niam nkete ne yehia na de aboba na betimi prevent eniam bebre ba ya ma awareness na nkwa enu na hadwen nti omo wo schools no omo hwe ni ye na omo so a awofo ni titiro no ye hwe se ne betimi aye na ye betimi
aye Matthias ye yisa wo experience na ansa na ya ma mefa ye Facebook friends wo messages bi entwemu Barack or things yan or say or share in London or say very very educative one. God bless you, deep teachings and Oshayen from London and a precious Mercy Ando and also Oshayen live from Italy and also God bless you and your team. Mercy that's papa yami oishra Emmanuel Swame or say also Oshayen live from Italy Palermo and or say a friend Imaswame sanity yeah
mommy. Me that's papa for this opportunity. I'm say topic in the buy and na me hu say very right in the direction I hear because sebi no bia ne benyesika ko private schools no na ye government schools no me hu say o how no dodo na gina ho senia proprietors na okasa ni di kan me ko aye kokomlemle kokomlemle school what public school where your friend Kwame Nkrumah kind of say no be hunu ma me wura ho ya na ya sefin papa school ya kama wura ho to say aban ahede si school dan no pa school dan de wo mayom ya mu asi pa na ma me sebi enso important hofo no eni nipa ni bi no e de hwa ye wi numbia asema me ke is not far from baby ya adwuma yi away obo anan kwa ene me dadem giri se obehunu ebi di hwa ye won bedroom hono omo da enya asem a make from afar kra ebi nso sebi ekọ sheda pa ko edidi ekoyi wo mo yam edigu ho
e won kran ya
ayi ma me ayi kokomlemle hasem na me ken
ana na bi mu yesa
na suku
so di nwa won tia
utu kan ko outside
won hia bi da
oni a wabodam
akura won ye
because ntetie ni firifie yes school amanfo ma eba ho no
na de ha wo mu tia mu yesa
ye go problem
ma me na wo mu sua de a ento se bebo no miense ko bono na ne de football e pa mo mo fi school mu ho
ye bebo ball
ye bebo ball it's munya na monko
me de nyoma se na ma dream me
kokomlemle
accounting pa
Kwame Nkrumah primary school any GHS e ho asem na
any penifo no so no mehwe ho ma wona
na gate e da school na no wo she da won se school no ni potem ho no e bi bompu ni mpu enam se school nam se wo masase no wo mo a eti area ho no bi mi megie di se wo mo enkrochi ye enti akoye man so kakra enti wo mo ye se nko mu twa wall afa wo ma me ye se di police fo na kotwa wall ne no kura besi ne ye hunu ano efi se obi wo ne dem wo na ne school dan wo hwe nkwala ne ti se ko ba ne so obi ko di na agro bi na se dede bebam de ne be hu pa sana etie e wo kwa me nkruma na anu achi kura mede soy ne ma me gate ya ye sheda ye se bia ye de she the other side of the school no na
side gate no
o ma me anye ye gate no ye bu ano fi se nkrofo fa ho pie e ko mu fie ebi so fa ho de pie abonten ne ade enti no gate no ye bubu na ma gate ne sensen ho a ma me ku yeso amanfa so bia enti me ka ade akosi so ma me ku enye honko a uko other schools a wo mo challenge me che government schools no ebi wo be kono compound kakraka wo ni gate wo ho enti krofo de football pitch ho no mo bobo mantem ho wuntimi nkoka ebi no mu wi me se ma me ke ko sa ko
omo dispose school no e wo the school no ne kan say school ni su announce ne entie school no wo no dispose no and omo de ho ye ne omo pe
Mami ebi
konta report authorities school authorities no report ma education service ana police fu ana bibi ne me
mami meni wo mo kase o mo ma mpenifo ma meti ase se wo mo aka bre
omo aka mo nya ban bo bia
sa wo mo bre
ye ne se we dey serious so
ane wo mo nka so ma aka bre so mo ba do de jana bia
obako school wa na dane wa yem hyehye
sa we wo mu shigu wo mu so sa boy wo mu boss antim ne me hu ni sa ban obi ye wo mu aye fi se enye nyina me say I'm a product of public school ma me ka me did so public school me say Paul Boatin na ye papi enti ma me say ekoba ne say besi nei na ye government school
public schools nya attractive dia ye problem ai ye problem ya me da se papa yakopon ehia ukasa na Mr. Bob what body tinko papa e dey na pesa wo ka
won say all kan no kan say wo maka community na kan wo ma bre na etie ne say dru ba bia community ni ntimi nya ho hwe gi saban bam na ban no so bebam a wo hwem omo so omo yesa na youth na omo ni adwuma ye no the security threat ba ko ne adwuma unemployment if you say emlante ni bebre fin say omo life no nya adria no ntimi ebesi biansi
they have nothing to lose
omo no ebegu engu because at the end of the day no sebe obu o ha why destitute why to the sense when you are there could be a wintimi
and on school could be a
school no so no
school so fast
no enti no
for one could be that
serious so
community no bebre what he has here
honey
but this abans we bem na ban no bebem nso anya easy e was ye hyase ye nhyehyɛ ya e be create adwuma na me no da bia ya na me dream menti ase fi nyame ahyira Ghana ye won saase bebre sebe e betime use agri sector no kra dia create adwuma enti ya me feel say e bredu say ye ka bambo ho nsɛm no se ye ntimi ampanuma ama ye mrantie na eno no ye be kasa bedru be no nye ye fi se
na jensam
omo eba bedi ehurukasem ni nyina no omo hwe omo nya dwuma mfin so omo abrabo na se no na omo ahyase etu wonfo omo bo nkaka no omo asetu omo ideology na
omo awura mu
enti no bambo ho nsem no ebegina pa egina dwuma ye
papa ye eno no ye factor say ejina adwuma ye say youth ni bi nya adwuma ye ntina won mo MSB ebu yes anwoma no but school ko so de nya ade a ene ye bejai na ye ja na kina na tie bia papa obi a pese ne ba ye den eko school na ke nya ya ke ye man ko school e were very conducive environment na ene na hwe school si bi hwe mo frɛ ya ekobo eye headmaster mani wu ye
say an American woman I say we are say we encrophobia ye for no edi no you problem pa and some twerefo a police for a teacher for a nurse for a doctor for any asofo we are so vulnerable in this way
also mamu ye den for but
you forget it oh yeah a teacher for a nurse for a doctor for and century for a police for and then a soft for yes uncle for we no Chese bibi abeye wi ase nipa ni yen so mfa so. Oh yes, I didn't. But we forget say see police ni ma wontumi na. You are forgetting say Nyama na na do to why the first citizen no he passes through a teacher. Without teacher no.
Oh, to me, can you see so can Brofia yo
Sakura yente. Down there me pa chenu ya tire ya no omie na no kakere. So ya na yente yo kana.
Jim FM.
Enti no teacher adwuma ne yade a ho hia papa. Enti am kan say onyame ankasa adwuma o ye wo teacher. Teacher God teach nema because of your father. I'm the me patch no. Eti father biano who build the foundation now. Who say who spread father F ne be kind. That's the foundation. You build a foundation.
Yes.
I'm the me patch. And to build the foundation no na mother no am manage our foundation so. Na fe fan no na wo adopt it. Father na adopt it. Na fe mother de no so aye no so organize it. Eti ayesa sa eti se yehu sa de na yamfa yehu anji
Jim FM
be ha dwene eniam na yesa sire na no na omo interview es jazira ashaba mrante ne ba ko se de bopanyin se yeka ya wo so onya adwuma bi anye wa dina na ho sa na omo bae nti o ma no ma ni sei o ba no nani ba no so na omo de ne ko no chese no an bibia no a oye na medofo nim onyame bo nipa no wonim se onyame ema nipa niema mienu pe wanfa yankan wo wiase God gave man image so be tiamia and you and your family's image is the most important thing. Onyame said let us make man in
my image.
Our image onyame ama oka onyame ama odan onyame ama obibia ne man for any you program ho no enye brofo a can say America na mum your image how you carry yourself it is your image me to anu na ya na me hwe say the would say the tradition beton ya na ya me fe keke am de me pa atam ko me nya kwa hwe film no but e do ayi na
chat na dia no abeke
me pa disua pa
anokware
Jim FM
o bibi a kire wo ho papa because nsanu bia ya de gu board no o mpa disua wontimi hu
yeah, me party for party. I am not your concert. I don't waste my time on comedians. No. Because
Jim FM.
Papa when he come.
Me ma say o catch me
Jim FM.
Oh, you crowd beto.
Oh yeah.
Once can no ebusua bia pedise ni image no.
Of course, image here o. Say papa me try Bible no so aka. O say dimpa
God gave us image. Said you can titino ba kwa wade ya hwe abusua no ye tire so background. And ade anka titema ni personality ase no. And
ya ma yeti so.
Obi twa no nyina no de akoto social media nipa mewe. Where are we going? Onyame ma nipa image. The second thing onyame de kan nipa ni image no e work. The word W-O-R-K work means to become, means to manifest, means to rest. And your work cause you to manifest your God-given talent.
Yes.
Your image. Your job is your skill, and labor is a case. It's either they force you or you force yourself.
Labor
no. No, baby, I say what work well. Because Germany won't among Branty and they do anything to survive.
I deep. I don't revelation power.
Are you too serious?
Tambia me hu bia no mani age. And now you we I no cry was and there papa so and there. And now you we program pen no be frame or say that man of America, Madam Fubako. I said, that your resource person, he's too intelligent. And he said he's not been to school before. I'm saying, he was not go school.
Go school, and that's the truth. Me secrets wonder, either formal or informal. I was rejected at the age of 3 months.
One year adult education,
my lifetime.
And see, I don't know to me who are the true books near the SR.
That is why I'm for a dear beer, what we are seeing. I learn from it. Oh yeah. I am your teacher. I did Bobby. I'm a boy, you know. At the Chiradi.
Mamma, Papa, Mamma could be Daniel, a program, man, Daniel Baswa. Eje yetefo and sanity wunya wo bi asabe na dwene mu do a wo betimi amma abrabo emu nsama de sua na wodi wo buo pa na de ama no image ehu hia pa ye image ototo image ase a eno so no timi kofa eye wo how bebre na e de branye bi kura na nya wonko a na bi asane abusuamu no enyina ya bo afa one time ngachi Indomie was it taste great. Indomie for some cancer say and they one were Indomie no ahodo bebre che say Indomie no akasa flavors no doso and I say wo person no one more dishes ni bia e ahodo bebre say na wo pe no do vegetables ka ho wo pe chicken na de aka ho wo pe fish a wo de aka ho wo pe meat a wo de aka ho de wo pe bia na seafood na pa to your taste no wa ye na Indomie no aye de na de wo kan say Indomie na ye di no ye wo mu ahodi no bebre bit is vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, calcium. Ni nyina ebi wo Indomie no emu enu nti no bomodin se ukodwa maso abepe Indomie na wato na odi ama mo fra metie me pepa na ne ma me pen bebre ni se me pe vegetables bebre ewo mu enu nti wudi atum say yes wudi a very healthy meal anu nti no call eye Ghana page on Facebook and Instagram obehu Indomie fo no na watch one recipes ni bebre na odi no so abo eye waduane eho bra Onga food seasoning so one body Russian country say here onga wo hoi emeduane ne ya kono ankasa e mane ye hwam ankasa the same mane ye de it sounds like onga no wo mu ahodo bebrebe wo onga stew onga shrimp onga classic onga chicken and wo onga 3 mix ni nyina no eno so bua se waduane ebeye de na ye hwenhwen hwema ya kono na emom no se wunya onga ne bia wo tablet no ebi wo ho na wo eye powder de no so wo ukodwa ma so a na wape onga food seasoning na odi aye den odi abomodin ada e de aye waduane na onga no say ne wen chicken no onga chicken no no ye de gu entakramwa so se bia doko se bia krokrokoko sa kokko anampo anoma onya anoma ano so utime e de onga gu so na oh Mr. Boots they can't walk out on our school now to time one no ma I know now call to I be that me ma grown and me di me ko ba so for na hweme ade be chin masa ko just menti be twibo race wo ha me expect and you know onga forceman country say and ye chicken there sam wa taking money ade and ye dig go on so onga 3 mix no so say ginger garlic onion ewo mu and also timi de ye aduane bia and onga shrimps no so cube no ye the massive food no money ade and ade aka ni nyina stew ni ade ni nyina obetimi e de bi aka ho na ama waduane no aye den ti kodwa so na ekope onga products ni bi the to efa ye waduane Edidia with Pokia 101 ane nyame ya adoma echina da okọ Dallas home cook ewo Sakaman Dansoman ewo Dansoman oso ochina anopa no ndu pepepe na sister Pokes woni ni nua OPD won aka nhia mu na chese wo kọ mani pani age ama ni pedidi na wadidi yiye enu ntino Dallas home cook eho na china eye Pokia 101 one apamfo OPD wo nyina ne adofo eka ho wo kohia na mom aboafo etai eye Pokia 101 achi eye Amalena Children's Haven also your one stop shop Kiddie Mall if you opemfo so edikosi akwada ya wo no foforo ene ye wo nyina eho nuoma wo ho a obenya biato Bella ointment ose no so number 1 herbal based ointment no sansa bi na agu ho ana baby na keka wo ba utimi de siesie wo ho ene de keka ho nyina bibi hye okura utimi ti bi na de asrasra so ebema wo honam nani ada ho fine enti pe Bella ointment na totobi Organic Hills Clinic ono so organic green food supplement or say what so ebo pass na yapom dini ebe sipie esansa won de won products ni na organic superfood and a one more at the bread a year in Nipagianum and into Bomodianda na ehwehwe won so akiri kwan epe won ro ni bi eto na mom so oba or restaurant or chop bar or baby a hotwa na ho efe na no aduane e so fam ana epa ya so pese eye pokua ni team no edidie team no etimi ba na wono ebedi nkomo na wotwa utum mframamu obeda adom FM so kwasi eda bia free no miensa no mienu ana no miensa no mienu no awie no miensa obetimi ene pokua enyankita hodie na watwa watomu ede waba radio no so eno nti opese omoba na wono ebedi nkomo afre 0544 113131 0544 1133 3131 0544 1131 or say Jumedia ye edidia with Pokia a Pokia 101 concepts and Adom FM and a one more account home abomwa what did Jumedia a day a bremo and until Bomodia say Ubenya bi na ososo one one more ashe abom Yamra studio na ye enche bia emie phone lines into papa yemie phone lines into kakra pa yemie phone lines into kakra na ewia e commercial mi no bi wo ha ye de betwam na afi no yetimi atoa so ye bia phone lines the numbers near 0302 216561 and 0302 216562. Hello, good morning.
Fine morning.
Bacho,
the Freddy Krubo do my friend. The friend Mr. Nobody.
Yo, Mr. Nobody.
Someone would have to again and my ate. If says, oh, share you come have crack a care or Krubo do my friend. Eddie call a Sojamani winner. Schools will be brave or her. Bambo ni obi wa kwa na wo de obakra akọ obi kwa ba akọ fa oba no kra ba na teacher ni kra na fa penyifo no kra ni mo hwe nti yesre government schools no yema bambo no en private school there me baba akọ private school say me da obi ba fa no kra na say yesre me asa ba makata ane so they say government school there okọ obi anko kwala ntimi ni number of to me da ma fe ni eduma pa mudi.
Yo, Papa, hello, good morning. Eja. Ejuma, yeah, Papa.
Yeah, the days are going. Nakaya pa so teacher kura ko toilet ya. Ube gina amana kwa abanza no wako ubi. Enso ne. Adi asem kura anye tinwu ya. Asem be ni. Me da dia mi kan nyina ni say. Mu rat and call children rat one rat ya young mu ya dia samba bo very serious you pan your tones am me kuya enya agro dio very serious I'm telling you but na man we are stubborn too much because they say your mama about school you know o ma from wodi na do mu pebi o mo ye o say o ya si abakola about school na wo fu akesi yakobu teacher. Let us call every way or the respect my teacher.
Security incident no bambo no.
Yeah, bambo no very risky palm at this time. And you say a manager no you be found. These are mamia in fact more to work but very serious. A woman very serious.
Yate pa. Yeah, that's it. Yankupon on show. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mamia kwa.
Efo who you there?
Chia the patron who you papa.
Patron,
my must say, and your mother would translate. Mudia, I do my dear. NCCU says, I be no Ghana, or my Chomukan. I do my no Muyano, and a Mumuya Momu, and Tinamishram. I won't know my Duma. Mania, you must call a spade, not a school. Sir, who not to call Kurasi? I told her been a dead piano, no, we fool. No more transfer school there, no more Niago. Come on, we need nobody Niago. Now you buy a Sabi. When me for me, when you say, a Jimmy and a Cosiate and a say, Tempiano, what you say, New Sukrano, go no be a Cornias school down. Maybe I don't know. Mania.
Hello. For yes, Konumunsu, Kakra Konumunsu. Hello, Patrick. Good morning, ma. Morning, how come today? Yanko Pandumo, watching. Watch your green community. My amisha be brewate. Amen, yo. Efo, Numisufana. Konumunsu, Kakra, and if you don't Konumunsu. Emma, and then with the palm on topic we are with the Abano. The other son is say, oh, man, you na you need that. Say, you did tobacco farmers, ma, da. If you say, make a demi the passes, school organi nano, and Kabeya, and ka 1 2 1 manifest one ad and Kabebwa. Oba you crossing idea. Ma, I'm a bonny party say, school Yawano, I will find the to my Nancy Akobi Biara. And it is Adia marking Kabeya. Na a bit my bois and pay school no 1 2 me my fence or 1 2 Wakaka. You say any beboa because Ubo Kona be an in school or teacher for 1 ponade. I shall see you never. I bet 10 years time now over ban school. Every teacher you watch Adim Puna. The young coffee we for our Kawasami and Ubi Queen. No cocoa in no Basabasana. The intimacy and the first one idea beboa. Mamma that's a Misha. Yo, soon I mean, Shabba fine last call na. Yeah, the messages now from Nechi Mama and Mary's house person. Hello, good morning. Hello. Odo. Yo, I'm say Nipano Adrope. Yen you abema Rocky a Japan or say or showing live from Buenos Aires. Sasani about dia Argentina. Oh, okay, yo. And yen ya KG1 ankasa. Eric said wedi. Ose papa odo wankasa odo na ochiao pa. KG1 say he's amazing. Anwa be also a very amazing man of God. Charles Tweneboa also sharing live from Alexandria, Virginia, USA. And don't call a Jiri Daniel or say, God bless you for the great work done. I'm listening to you live inside a Shaman Newtown. Yeah, that was a pa. You know, don't call. Akosia at the Palina or say, Mammy good morning. I don't know what she na ochia yen akosia wasemi wow hey I say please I think the government or just government no betime afa nipa ama security for all the government schools no and basic schools no say teachers no and so as I said one no den they should close at certain time omo pon ebo prepare mu se ne be ya one no ho enkodi mu bebre now say this will create employment for people. Matthias Yepa, Yenua Ban, no. Richard Sam, also sharing live. Italy, Peter Jomo, also very nice program. I recommend CCTV installations for the private schools. And you Ubayad Beto Humbra. I had there. But it was Baba Ufi. Emmanuel, or say, God bless you. I wish my son happy birthday for me. George Osei, happy birthday from Opapa Emmanuel Osei. Mame Arana Eddie Osei, oh, am I Tom Saps Osei Ayadie Pam and Onwebi Osei, God bless you all. Ish White Osei, forget the fake Osei, forget the fake by force. We don't talk like that. Then cry, he's our president, me pacho. Ay, bra. Mami Arana Eddie, or say up a program with papa. Equia Heneba or Heneba, or say, God bless you all. Or sharing live from Hanover. Or say, this program is amazing. Franklin Ades, or say, God bless your name. God bless you all. Mami Equia, I'm so proud of Reverend. God bless him. Ernest Danso also sharing live and now also we're doing a very great job. And now Yusuf Dana also sharing live from France and Asani Mohammed Abubakar Ladisco also sharing live. I say I love this program. And also, you can see it twice way beyond the NTB. I don't see papa. Mamma Aquanian Wabo, as some of foot some tougher. Maybe and my papa ho. So for penny pa, yet me and my muso.
Dema Ghana for say Bambons and some no dear. Ubibia Nasha dear. Intino yewo efie mu nyina no yema bambo ho nsɛm no ehia yɛn na community bi a yewo mu no nso no yema bambo ho nsɛm ehia yɛn na yɛntimi moa mamambo no engina so because bambo no nyi hɔ no ma enya dia amanyɔsɛm no nyina no ebetimi akɔso nti kakra meka ne sɛ obi anya vigilant uhu ne ma bia yɛn try sɛ yɛbɛbɔ ɔmɔmbɔ yɛn ho ba na maneɛ na nam so ma ebetimi atoto enema yi amɔman
emenso dia meka sɛ na papa bɔ mu ni schools na nkɔfo bi ɛde ho adane wɔn mo atena yɛ bia na sɛbe ɛnyɔma nsɛm fata no wɔn yɛ no wɔ hɔ sɛ wɔn asɔre mfifi akogya wɔn nan wɔ school mu saa na anyɛ den wɔn asɔre mfifi ankɔ no mu wi school mu saa na anyɛ dan dan baabi apɛ sɛ ɔno baabi ani hɔ abɛtumi anom wi na apart from school no mu hɔ ana ɛhɔ yɛ din nti na wɔn kɔhyɛ hɔ yɛ saa ɛyɛ very bad nti mpanyinfoɔ nsɔre.
sɛ community na yɛwɔ mu no yɛbanbɔ ho nsɛm esi yie a obi kɔ school akɔyɛ bɔnne a community na bɛ organize ne yɛtumi atu saa nkɔɔfoɔ no so sa sɛ community na yɛwɔ mu na yɛsɛ biribi amfa yɛ ho ne yɛbɛsi bia ne ebɛgu ngu community dia ɛmoa enti na de biam kase bambo ni gyina nipa no so na community no so ansa na ko ɔman no so enti community bia yɛwɔ mu no school na ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛhu sɛ school ni yɛ yɛgyapadeɛ ɛno na ɛboa me yɛda akye si yie bibia ɛbɛkɔ so ɛbɛyɛ bɔne bia wɔ hɔ no yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi aka ho asɛm kakra meka no
mate so penny
say this time mama akuya enema mienu na be satanic playground yedi kan internet is getting satanic every day and some of the schools are be satanic praying ground. I'm saying some of the schools have become a satanic praying ground. And I was say you careful
as a home be a schools and
become a satanic praying ground. And the internet has become a satanic every minute, every second, every day. Now, so be remia. Ebia abrante bi hwe me abrante bi atie owo ba bi o ha akwara nko school nti watem pa hwia ya meetie bi wotie mi ansa me kasa no wafa ba pa wom maka asema yeso deep di akere wo abraba aye bo no see the best prophet so far in your life is you yourself. Enti so wo ya abrante na wotie me na ye wadwen se wo school no wanko bi enti se no abraba end enti ba bi obi ko sua de no wana ba ya se me ye me de san ka menti am ne wo kasa enti abrabo no gina wan kasa wo so enti so obi tie me a se ma abrabo ntumi ansa ya wo a wotie me no abrabo ntumi nsa the choice is you and the best prophet so far in your life is you yourself.
Yes. Hey, Papa, the best prophet is you yourself. The choice is yours.
Yes.
So, one person will say, I will be say, one person will be di Yabraboma will be di. Men for when ni, I meant for when ni, Uncle see what be so. Na nkasa na papa nhwe me school ti and na mama akoto ade afes kam de minti and na me stepmother titi minti and na yes ya na me boa obo ho a ni so wo so nyina say papa fa na go school e to papa fa go school ti wa brabo na say esa o say wa brabo
what say wa brabo
so say ya dwen no do bre say etimi shift ya dwen a way of doing things and thinking I say etimi say san kakra
you can't store no wi an maka 7 dimensions eye.
Yeah, the papa baba security personnel baba kind of story. Na brabo mu nsam da kua de baba no pai na waba abekirekire se ne ni nyina ate enne awurade adom wakwa brochire kosuande a enne wode abaga na se wode beboa ye nyina papa meda wase ye papa Apostle Francis Amwakwata, the speaker of the Parliament Chapel and the Lord's Parliament Chapel and e papa no kasafo a wo e fidua no mu eno nti no na obi see the Lord's Parliament Chapel and I'm sure so first na Freedom Chapel e papa mo akwanta no understand e kasamafo e wo ho you are the only speaker and e papa bua yen pa e fi say ye de sa ya bambo ho nsam ba ye memi nda no pa bia onya ho tibi e ba beboa ye ni nwuma dos so onya ho e ba and e papa security expert papa Paul Boateng and so nekura unsa ne ho mfa no de but waba papa ye da wase etiefo nyankopon ye adoma nyame ye adoma dasane ye be san ahia na me sorry so de ye de ye nidwa black eye
mame
na de na fifrefiri wa no petutu sa
my a bit obfuscated
then
my a bit obfuscated
and also see anything
like close to a bit bunkums
Odi I misro fa mi see ya.
Mate wa ka ma me nto poma no.
Odi me nda soko ba wo.
Me pa cho ai.
Ti sasume na ya de betra me nda soko so.
E ya asem mu ma.
Na no ye adwo o mani
me mpo mpo ba bia o.
O mani mu asramu din.
E ya asem mu ma me.
Say yo mo mpeka sa no betna me nda soko so a. And o hu say bi bo wo mo ho anka.
Say technically they are just perambulating.
Sheba ku awura he. Nya.
Okay, machine. Okay.
Also they are what?
They are just perambulating. I don't know, say for monumental gains, or I simply don't get it.
Perambulating.
Yeah, perambulating.
And what?
I don't know, say for monumental gains. Why? Are you lost in the sea?
I'm completely lost.
Oh, then it means the situation has capitulated you into a state of oblivion. But your mom station I do mom station I do.
It's my boy wana. Miss Metimia boy.
I don't know about no.
Ma.
Oh, in your producer papa. In your producer papa.
Ma, please engage me.
Me patcho me betie me yo me ko.
Oh, that's a 1 hour pen now
now be ya 3 hours.
Oh yeah, Kokumasi o. And I attack credit. Say 4 hours.
Nya me do ampa no adu kuma say.
Adaje ni poso kra.
Da bi me mitimi hu.
Ti me patcho time na so there. Na sorry man.
Damra palankutulate ne.
Yeah, mama. Why are you in a state of oblivion?
Oh yes, no I'm not. And I'm not. And
you are not.
So oblivion you are.
Oblivion. Oh yeah.
Atiefo me di abekọ why na anya nipa bi se na no ye adwuma e be den na wo na kurati bi aho black eye me sorry a wono mo e de to aso ye ni dwa beba na fe black eye so wa na be ye an ni na be
mama say okay a free ene e koro no
chiremu
unse adwuma na e odesin wa ketu asa
of course ti se mi ameti hey
ti se ye gina
ti se yan e wo
na by popular request no Ghana force me da suku no me wo mo eti embiem na management so wo mo nyansam wo no am so ne saade a yan twemfa mrani but yendi dwane yentwamu
da bi minipa
ye be spread no sparingly
exactly
sene ye be ya ye di agro na ye pap na ye chile ni ye dance ni ye cross ni ye quick ni ye shake no
ni skanke
ni pranke mama we mama punch na
of course
me patch mama station I ba pa me say ja me fam pamanum fantastic oh enti no ti ni nyina ababa be shim ni nyina ababa be shim ye ndi dwane nyina ababa be she me da soko no tenu no hwemu a akoye mixed cropping I can't see any say miss engaging sat say me I have verbal intercourse oh they say ya can
bom
see any say ya can see any say twe you know ye kona no ye be interviews na na ye gi ani tolino su be flow obi be say nkwa asem su be flow
me wa toli master me pese da krom ne best
mami manimra ena kra manimra
ana dia me kan kire
I can't for flight.
I'm for flight
number.
Oh yeah,
why not?
Flight number.
Oh, yeah, send you private jet to cry.
And I'm the number.
Number no ye man fam mama.
From the media, sorry, more have a lovely weekend. Onyankopon ya aduma da sane be hia. Parkway si ye isa and I want Bomechi Dom as producers and FA Zoo so Bomechi as my social media executive. Or Zoo and Zoo. Zoo
as in ZOO
as ZUU.
Oh okay, that is different from ZOO.
I into no I had the
intimate patcho page when you show him patcho there na hu ye abo say
ni abon dey say wow
eya eye mani je se me